Like not you, cause you're not cool at all. You just a nerd. You're constipated, overweight, obese loser. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend?
UAV online.
Do you have a girlfriend? No, I said, do you have a girlfriend? I did not ask about no gun. I said a girlfriend. As in girly girly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you that retarded? Are you that retarded? I freaking asked you, do you have a girlfriend? Like, not that. Okay, I said, do you have a girlfriend? A girlfriend, as in a girl that's your friend, not a gun, not anything else in the world. Oh my god, you are so retarded. I said a girlfriend.
Enemy care package incoming.
Wow, I blew myself up. I'm so hot that I blew myself up. Girls from that body. Who couldn't understand me? Who did it? They heard me say that for the last like 10 seconds and you say you just figured out. You know how dumb you sound? Well, not very dumb, but you know how dumb you sound? Who? Annabelle. What kind of name is Annabelle?
Kill confirmed. Friendly predator missile inbound. Friendly predator missile inbound. Friendly AH-6 Overwatch inbound.
How you good at AA6 Overwatch?
Incoming.
No, my controller glitched out. Hey, did you get the AC? Did you get the ACH Overwatch with a care package? That was you who got it? Mm-hmm.
Kill confirmed. UAV online. Kill confirmed. Enemy care package.
Is that yours?
Enemy UAV spotted.
If I was on the other team, that payload would have been blown up by now.
Predator missile inbound.
This freaking bouncer Betty doesn't go long.
Enemy care package incoming. Enemy UAV spotted.
It's freaking 12 o'clock at night. I'm surprised he didn't leave. Or I'm surprised. Well, I'm not surprised he left. It's like 12 o'clock at night. We just happen to stay up long. Usually, you would be the person to get off early, and then it would be me, Swag King, and what's it called? Yeah, I got the last kill. I got the last kill. Cause I raped y'all butts. I raped y'all. Haha.